Did you get some mail?
I already demolished all the anthills.
Oh, really?
Fair video, right?
No.
What?
Hi. This is my little sister Irene.
Right here.
She's 12 and
a half.
She's my favorite sister already. Sorry, other sisters. This is where they live in Texas. It's really hot and humid. We're gonna go to the park if we can handle the heat.
Yeah. if I can handle the camera.
There's a guy with a Confederate flag over there on his... But he might shoot me if I take a video. Okay.
Moogie, protect me against your mommy!
Loki, say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Oh, get out of the flowers. Those are Grandma Mara's flowers. No. Say hi, Daddy.